Hey there, Parkside. It's Mr. Daggett, and I wanted to introduce to you our activity for the day. This is called an at-home music scavenger hunt, and the goal for this is to get a box that you can put things in that are musical instruments. Now, again, you may say, but Mr. Daggett, I don't have musical instruments. Yes, you do. You just don't know it. Remember, even your body can be a musical instrument. Your wallet, your mouse, right? Anything. Now, I wouldn't suggest playing on the mouse or a real mouse for that matter. And I wouldn't suggest playing with anything that would break. You should ask your parents before beginning the scavenger hunt, because you could find your mom's favorite whatever and then break it, and that would not be good. So, after this video you're watching right now, you're going to hit the next button down in the corner. It says next, okay? And when you do that, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You ready? It'll say at-home music kit, okay? Now, all you have to do is click the screen and go through the slides. You read them here. It asks you to do a couple things. Here's the rules. And then here we go. And see these little videos? These are 2-minute timers. So you have 2 minutes to do what you need to do. So you just click on the YouTube link, and it counts down for you. Once you've found everything, click on the screen again, and it'll take you to the next section. Okay? So, that is the at-home music scavenger hunt. If you have any questions, you can email me or call me. I am at work, and I will answer your questions as quickly as possible, but it should be pretty self-explanatory. I would recommend even 4th and 5th graders to do this with a parent or an older sibling. Maybe they can help click through the stuff for you while you go run around the house trying to find stuff, but I think you're going to enjoy it. And we're going to use this box of gear throughout the year. Okay, for those of you that are 4th and 5th graders, we're going to use it until I see you at school. And for those of you who are kindergarten through 3rd graders, we're going to use it when you're not at school. So I think you're going to enjoy it, and I will talk to you later. Bye.